Good morning, guys. Here's my day trading recap for the 20th of December 2019. And today's actually the first day that I went live. It's been about 3 months in the simulator, and so today was my first live trade, and I was nervous from last night trying to, getting ready for this live trading. And well, let's just get into it and see how it went. I had a few stocks on my list, but MU is the one I took for an opening range breakout on the 1 minute. The first candle opened up strong and closed above the VWAP, thankfully not too far. It was a bit dodgy in the pre-market, but the VWAP and the volume came in the first minute, and the VWAP was pretty close to the close on the first candle. And the second candle started to look like it was holding the VWAP, and according to my rules, I should enter only after it breaks out of the body of the first candle, but I took a premature entry. Other than that, I stuck to all my rules. The level 2 also had a decent little imbalance, and the speed on the tape was looking good as well. So I was confident with the long. I put my stop loss here at the thick purple line, and then I just watched it run, and I was very happy to watch it run. And then I took my very first partial here at a new 1 minute low. Would have loved to have taken it up here. That would have been more like a 4 or 5 to 1, but here I got about 2.5 or 3 to 1. And then after I took the first partial, I moved my stop up to break even. And then again, watched it go, and then another 1 minute low, and I took my next partial. And these are all 50% partials. At this one, I watched it go, but I decided, let me just take it. I don't want to give back too much profit. And then again, new 1 minute low, and in this area, I wasn't getting too confident about it. It could go either way, or it could do nothing. So I figured I'll in this area I figured I don't know where it's going to go, whether it's going to go up or down or do nothing. So I put a trailing stop, so if it does go from here down to the break even, it stops out. If it goes up and comes down a bit, it stops out. Turns out it did go up a touch, and it came back, and I stopped out here. And that was the end of it for me. Overall, about 2.5R or 2.2R. So very happy with that on my very first day. There were and still are other opportunities in the market, but being my first day, I'm happy to do a one and done and not go chasing profits. I think I'm just gonna relax now after being kind of nervous through it all. And there was definitely a good move on RAD, and I had that on my. I was looking at it, but MU is the one I took, and happy with it. Overall, I stuck to all my rules except my entry. I took a little bit of a premature entry. My rule says I take an entry here. My stop is here, which is, well, I guess it's a good stop. It's a bit wider than I have been doing in the sim, but that's alright. No problem. Overall, very good, very happy, and now I'm going to keep trading live, and I got to continue to stick to my rules. The one key thing that I found different today, being live compared to the sim, is that I found it much easier to stick to my rules. I was much more strict with myself, much more disciplined, I guess is the right word, not strict, but much more disciplined with making sure I look at every detail, and rather than jumping into trades and overtrading and all that stuff that I've been doing in the sim. And so that's a good consequence of being live. There's something riding on it. There are consequences. So that's a good benefit of going live, is that I actually stick to my rules and do it well. So that's good, very good progress on my first day. And so continuing on, I've got to just continue to build on this progress, look for more trades, and just build my confidence while being live. And so that's that. All right, this was good. Today's Friday, and Monday shall be even better. Thank you very much.